the Intercontinental in Cairo. We got connecting rooms, 1049 and 1050. So, bathroom. The closet's right back there. We got a king bed in this one. Let's see what's out the window here. Oh wow. Oh man, is it? I'm not sure if that's pools for this hotel or not. But, so this is one room, and then yeah, we got connected here. Worked out perfect since we had to get two separate rooms. Oh, is there a deck out there or something? Let's see. Can I see?
I don't know how to open it.
Yeah, maybe they don't let you, so they won't. I'll look at it later. And then this one's two twins. Should be set up the same way. So we're gonna be here 2 nights. Here in Cairo, Egypt.